Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a bonus reading for you. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And for additional messages, you can find me on Instagram. The link is given below, and there the readings are done in Hindi as well as in English. Okay, Pisces, so let's get started. Okay. So let me see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. This is coming quite often today. Okay, Pisces, so let's get started. So you are starting something new, definitely. With the Magician, you are definitely starting something new in your life. You are trying to steer your life in a different direction because see, we have here with the Ace of Cups. So I think you are steering the direction of your life towards something which is emotionally fulfilling to you. Okay. You've been wondering here, whatever you have built, you've been wondering over it. So you have built something and you are wondering on this, whatever you have built up, but you want something new in your life. And this is a major arcana here. The Ace of Cups is again a vital card. So what I feel here is you are moving in a direction or building yourself to move in a direction, and you have started building up, which gives you emotional fulfillment. Okay, so yeah, you have started something new in your life. You've begun something new, though you have not reached very far on that direction, but yes, you have definitely started building up, and you are just wondering as to what should be done, what more should be done in that direction, so that you are able to reach this goal of yours, which is giving you something which gives you emotional fulfillment and satisfaction. Okay, so you've already started, Pisces, with something new. You're building on that. Okay, so you are building on that and just wondering as to what else can be done, what else can be invested in this, so that you are able to achieve this goal of yours, which is emotional fulfillment. And here with the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the High Priestess, you are again stepping up. Yeah, see, because you are building up towards this goal of yours, you are definitely stepping up. You are being looked up, you are being admired for whatever efforts you are doing in this direction. People are looking up to you for this, whatever you are doing. Okay, you are really working hard to achieve this, basically whatever it is, and slowly you are building up. Actually, it's just not happening immediately, but yes, you are stepping up slowly and slowly. Okay, so both the cards are pointing to the same thing, that you are building gradually in this direction. Okay, so here also with the Queen of Pentacles, I get that you are taking time to yourself. You are being nostalgic, or you are just thinking again as to what else can be done, what else can be put into this situation or this new beginning, so that you are able to achieve what you actually want to achieve, your happiness. And here with the High Priestess, again you are being in touch with your intuition, deeply intuitive, not taking any action as such apart from building yourself, apart from building your own happiness. Okay, and you are being very intuitive, and you are doing whatever is required to be done in this direction, which gives you emotional fulfillment. And your intuition says that you should walk away from something, I think, and that is what you are doing. With the Eight of Cups, you are definitely walking away from the emotional front, perhaps, or something which was very important for you, or you were very emotional about, and you are again stepping up. So basically it is always coming about, you are building up here, you are building up here, again people are looking up to you, you have stepped up, and again here you are stepping up by leaving those emotions behind. And that is what your intuition says. Your intuition says you should leave a particular situation behind, which was very important for you, which you were very emotional about, and you are doing that because perhaps it didn't serve you. And again you are being intuitively guided for that. There were emotions all over the place, but perhaps they were not serving you, and again you are moving away from that emotional aspect or those emotions, again in search of building solid foundations for yourself. The Ace of Pentacles, we have the Ace of Cups. So whatever it is emotionally fulfilling to you, whatever you are working on, and it is giving you a solid stability. So that is what you want, that is what you are doing, moving towards solid foundations, moving towards solid things. Okay, which will be long term, which will be stable, which will give you emotional fulfillment. And here with the King of Wands and with the Queen of Cups, again what I feel here is that you are just being very intuitive and not doing whatever is necessary, taking care of your emotions, basically. Okay, it's like you're taking care of your emotions, you're taking care of your life, you are uh, sitting there cool and calm, just doing your own stuff. Actually, it's something like that, and this is giving you a lot of healing, and you are being very happy. This is what you actually want in your life. Just see so many major cards out here. The Magician, the Ace of Cups is also, according to me, aces are very good vital cards. And here we have the High Priestess. Here again we have the Star, the Judgment. So whatever it is you are moving towards, it is destined. Okay, so this is something, your wishes are coming true, and it is, you will be feeling very very emotionally fulfilled with whatever you are working towards. It is something which is destined. It is something, the right timing is something has, and followed by the Ten of Cups. It is followed by emotional fulfillment. It is giving you the happiness which you are. So basically you are building towards your happiness. It is giving you a lot of healing. You are being happy with it. It is the right time. It is something which was long delayed, perhaps. Okay, it was, maybe you wanted to do this since many years, many months, maybe ages ago. It's something like that. So this is some work which needed to be done since a long time, and that is what you are doing now, and this is your goal now, this is your happiness now, and you will achieve it. Okay, so you are doing something which was pending since a lifetime, perhaps since ages and ages, maybe months for some of you, but it's something which means a lot, which means a lot of time. Okay, to build this foundation, this happiness, and you, that is what you are doing, that is what you are doing. All your efforts are directed towards that. And here with the Two of Hearts and the Nine of Diamonds, you are trying to moderate the things. Moderation is required in this, the emotional moderation is required in this situation, and that's what you are doing. You are re-evaluating things, you are contemplating, you are being again very very intuitive over here. Okay, healing yourself with the Queen of Hearts, healing, being spiritual, meditating, praying, and just healing yourself. Okay, giving time to yourself to flourish, to rejuvenate. That's what you are doing. Though there are times when you feel a lot of lot of anxiety is there. It's not that you don't feel anxious. You feel anxious, lot of sleepless nights, lot of thoughts, lot of contemplation is still going on there. And with the Hangman, with the two of spades is the Hangman. So here it's not that things are moving pretty fast, things are taking time, they are causing a lot of anxiety to you. Okay, you are working in that direction, but there are times when you feel sleepless, when you feel anxious. Okay, and there are times when you feel the situation is not moving forward. What should I do next? That's what I said here. You are building, but you are building very slowly, and that may cause a lot of anxiety. Maybe this also causes a lot of anxiety. What I am doing is right or wrong. Okay, though you are moving in a particular direction, but leaving whatever was there is also not easy. Maybe the leaving part is also causing some sort of an anxiety. Okay, so but you are trying to moderate the things. You are trying to be intuitive, healing yourself, giving time to yourself, and you are trying to come out of this situation, whatever the situation is. You are trying to weave a new life for yourself. Basically, you are trying to do that, weaving a new life for yourself towards happiness, which is destined, which was long pending. Okay, Pisces, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.